Tony holds a camera so bright, ready to capture morning light. Eyes are shining, full of cheer. Beautiful moments now appear. Photo journey starts today. Tony learns with happy face how to focus, click with grace. Buttons, lens, and tiny guide. Joy and learning side by side. Camera fun begins to grow. Tony sees a butterfly fly. Click, it freezes in the sky. Magic flash and happy sound. Beautiful picture now is found. Smiles appear on Tony's face. Tony clicks a waterfall. Rainbow shining over all. Trees are glowing in the light. Every beauty in his lens. Tony finds a deer so sweet, standing calm and very neat. Tony captures moments fair. Animals pose so nicely. Tony makes a silly face. Camera clicks in happy place. Laughing loud with joy and fun. Selfie time has just begun. Funny memories saved today. Tony sees the city lights shining bright in evening nights. Buildings glow with colors true. Camera catches every view. Urban world looks magical. Tony shows his photo art, proud and happy in his heart. Claps and cheers fill the hall. Tony cheers the best of all. Tony stands the best of all. Dreams are shining in his hands. Tony sits and edit pics, color, light, and magic tricks. Screen is glowing bright and clear. Perfect photo now appears. Creative joy is everywhere. Tony stands with camera high, photos floating in the sky. Every memory shining bright fills his heart with pure delight.